Okay, sometimes rather than replacing a Ballcock, we can just repair most of these. This particular one is a Corky, also known as a Hunter in a prior lifetime. And we can take this baby apart. You can go on the internet or your local hardware store and see some of the different kinds of these. Now this cap, here's a gasket that makes this Ballcock run. So we can go to the hardware store, we can go get this gasket, and we come put it back on. And rather than change it for a couple dollars, we just simply repaired it. Now we'll go look at some of the other ones we have here. Here's some of the other Ballcocks that we're going to repair. A very common one that you're going to see out there in the field is the Fluid Master. When it's either not filling or running slow, the top of it twist locks off, just like that. You can take for $1.50 or so, you can pull this washer off, you can replace the washer. Another very common one is a 3-screw plastic Ballcock, a 1B1P Master. You undo the 3 screws, you get a new rebuild kit, you drop the kit in, put the screws on, it's repaired. Beautiful, it's nice. You don't have to take the supply line or any of that apart. My favorite, the old standby, the Mansfield, happens to have a single diaphragm gasket. Get a kit for that. That goes in there, and again, why take out the Cadillac and put in a loud, crummy plastic Ballcock when you can have the Cadillac still running for you?